Create a new sketch on the XY work plane. From the circle drop-down menu, select the ellipse tool. Click in the center origin and draw the axis vertically. Click and pull to the side. Note, when using Autodesk Inventor, no dimensions will appear at this stage. Click to drop your ellipse. Select the dimension tool. Click on the ellipse and pull to the side. Make the major axis radius 100 mm. Click again on the ellipse and pull vertically. Make the minor axis radius 40 mm. Select the straight line tool. Draw a line vertically through the ellipse. Then, with the straight line tool again, draw a line horizontally through the ellipse. Select the trim tool and trim away all 3/4 of the ellipse. Take the straight line tool once again. From the center origin, draw vertically 40 mm. Draw horizontally out. Don't worry about the dimension at this stage. Click at the end point of the ellipse and draw a line vertically. Where the vertical and horizontal lines cross, trim. Finish this sketch and revolve both the profiles, making sure to select the center axis. Select OK. We now need to create a new offset plane. From the XZ work plane, use Offset from Plane command from the Plane drop-down menu. Offset this plane 120 mm. On this new work plane, create a new sketch. From the Rectangle drop-down menu, select the Slot tool. Click in the center origin and pull horizontally and then pull vertically. Make the outside radius of this 15 mm. Make the distance from the center 50 mm. Finish this sketch. On the XZ plane, create a new sketch. Use the Project Geometry tool to grab the bottom edge and draw this as a circle on this face. Select both the sketches from the modelling tree. Hold down the Control key to select more than one sketch. Select the Loft command. You may need to actually reselect the sketches manually. Select OK. You've now created the main part of the component. We now need to create a hollow all the way through. The simple way to do this is select the Shell command and make the wall thickness 2 mm. Select the top face to remove it and the bottom face. Press OK. Right click on the work plane and turn off the visibility. You've now finished this component. It is ready for its engineering or technical drawing and 3D printing and rendering. Well done.